You know, in order to have an outstanding organization, everyone in the whole organization needs to be involved in improvement. And most organizations need to work with having greater degrees of clarity and focus and discipline, and then they get greater engagement of all the workforce. And when they get more engaged workforce, all the employees are engaged, then there are better results. And so it's easier to be successful as an organization. When a Swedish manager is looking to do some sort of continuous improvement, the first skill set I would say they need to develop is process design, process mapping, process analysis, and a little bit of root cause analysis also. So managers often don't have the basic skills to understand what a process is and how to improve it. So that would be the first place I would start, and then making sure that they're not the ones designing the process, but they're leading their team and having their team design the process the way it would work best, with all the waste removed and getting flow of work through the process. If you want to log improvements and track everything so that people can see that there's progress being made, I think that's a good idea. But it's important to really focus on what's being done. You know, so Toyota is known to implement, 10,000 ideas a year, which is 1,000 ideas a day. And that's a lot of ideas being implemented. And that's a nice number to pay attention to. But I also see a lot of companies get stuck on tracking by reports and all these things that are non-value added activities. And if it takes that to track the numbers, then I would argue that maybe just looking at the results is more important than tracking the numbers. If you have an easy way to track the number of ideas, then great.